Hi, so this is day two. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how you are gonna um, create a Windows system image and restore it if you have problem with your operating system. Most of the time, people want to um, roll back and restore whatever settings that they've done uh, if they have problem with their operating system. So basically, that is what I'm going to do today. But the process I'm going to follow, I just want to, for clarity's sake, I want to say that it's not going to work because I'm using the same hard drive on my computer, which is not going to be possible using it to create a system image. Yeah, even if it works, the possibility is that if that drive, if that hard disk um, got crashed, you are going to lose everything, which is not a good practice. The best practice is to either create your system image on a network you are already in, or maybe you use an external hard drive to do the system image creation. So today I have VirtualBox here, and I have a virtual machine which I'm going to use for this demonstration. You can see I have Windows 11 here. I have Windows 11 here, right? So I have a Windows 11. I have also Ubuntu, Mia, Fedora, and then yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create Windows 10, Windows 10, right, on this virtual box. Then I'll use it to demonstrate how you are going to create your system image. So on my virtual box, I'll go to new and then I'll say demo demo win. Let me ask my computer name. Then I'll make sure everything is on Windows and then yeah. Then I'll click on next. I'll leave it this way and increase it to 2. Click on next. My hard drive, I'll leave it as 50. For demonstration sake, I'll leave it as this 50 because I'm not going to, after this, I'm going to remove the virtual machine. So I'll create a virtual hard disk now, pre-allocate full size, use existing virtual hard disk here. I'll leave it so. Check my everything is good. I'll click on next. Here I will select the machine. You see the machine is here. So I'll go to settings. Under setting I'll go to advanced. Under advanced I'll go to share clipboard and select bidirectional, right? And I'll go to storage. So under storage I'll click on the empty iOS image here. Then I'll go to the far right side of the iOS image that is shown here, and I'll click on that. I have Windows 10 image here. Um, ISO file, ISO file, yeah, ISO file. So if you don't have it, you have to go to the Windows official website and then you download the image, then you use it for this. So click on that one and it's selected, then I'll click on OK, then I'll come to start. So from here I'm going to I'm going to pause, and then when the machine is finished, then I will now walk you through the installation process. You can see it started the process of getting my machine. So, but it's gonna take long. I will just have to pause here. Welcome back. We are finally in. Windows 10 virtual desktop. So before I continue with the system image creation, I would like to demonstrate something because I'm using a virtual machine. I don't have a hard external hard disk that I'll connect to my computer and do the demonstration. So I'll have to partition my hard disk into two, then I'll be able to do the demonstration, even though it's not going to work. So I'll first of all click on start and go to disk management. So on disk management, you see I have my disk 0, which is 50 gigabyte, which is online. So the disk C that is here, I have 49.41 gigabyte. So I'm going to partition this disk C to 2, so I will use part of it for the demonstration. So in here you right click and then you go to string value. So the total is 50. The size of available string is 32 point days, and the total size string megabyte is this one. So let's see. Hmm, let me see if I can increase this a little bit. Sorry, I just want to increase it a little bit. Okay, let's leave it that way. So click on string value. So you see it is now shrink to like 31.6 gigabits. So I'll right click on that and go to new value. Go here and then leave everything as default. I can change the drive letter here, but I'll leave it as default. Then I'll go here. You have the chance to change to SFAT, FAT32, or maybe you leave it there. This is the modern one. You can change the label to any name of your choice. So I'll leave that one as well and click on next and then review the information. Then I'll go to finish. Yeah, so I have this one partition. Then I will now continue with the system image. Then um, so the next thing is to go to the search bar and search for control panel. Right here, then you open. Then once it comes this way, to you go to category and you select on small so that you can see all of them well. Then I'll go to backup and restore. Then I'll click on that. So in here you see I have created system image, right? Created a system image, or I can set the backup out how I like it to be. It's still the same thing. And here you can create a system repair disk if you can also do that. So if you want to restore the image, you come to here, select another backup to restore files from it. Then when you click on this one, it's going to open this page, and then you can browse to the location. If it is on the network, you can browse to the location. But if it is hard disk, it will be shown here. Then you click on that, then you follow the on-screen instructions and then restore. So I'll go here and click on create system um, system image. So automatically you see the drive I've partitioned. You see automatically it has picked on hard disks. It has picked the 31.58 gigabit free state. But what did they say? They said the drive selected is on the same physical disk that is being backed up. So if this disk fails, you will lose your backups. So I said it because I'm using the same hard disk. So if it happens that this fails, I'm going to lose all my data and need certain apps, everything in it. So, but if you have the external hard disk, you see if you have so many disks attached to your computer, you see them here. You select the one you want to do the create the system image on it. Then so I have this one. It's not going to work, but I just want to show you how it's gonna work. So for demonstration, if the networking to you have a network that you are connected to, local area network you are connected to, so you can save that, you can select that here, then you select this one, then you browse the location on your computer where you want to save it, then you save it there on the network, right? So I'll click on the hard disk, then I'll go to next. So you see, you are going to back up the following: the system reserve, drive C, Windows recovery, everything. You are going to back up this system into this drive E to hold the system image. So in case you have a problem, you can restore the same setting, the same things on your computer. So you go to start the backup. Uh, it's not going to work. So I said it's not going to work because you don't have enough space to create a volume shadow copy on this storage location, because I'm using the same hard disk, which is not going to be possible. So you have to have an external hard disk, or you save it on the network. Yeah, so that is the best practice. But for this, that is basically how you're gonna go through to create a system image. Um, and if you want to restore it back, then you come here and then you go and then you restore it to where you want to. And then the setup, backup, like I said, is all the same thing. So when you come here, you have the drives here display. You select the one you want, then if it is network, you go here. Yeah, but if you have the drive, you select here, because here it's not going to work as well. You go to next, then let Windows choose, yeah, which is recommended. Then you go to like next. So you see all these are going to be backed up to the new volume here, which is drive E. Then you go to start this backup here. So it's not also going to work because it's still the same process, and they are going to give me error. So as next I know, check your backup. The last backup did not complete successful because, yeah, I said it several times that this I'm on the same hard disk, which is not possible. So, but I hope you learned something. This is how you are going to go through to create a system image and then, yeah, restore it back. Thank you so much for watching, and like, subscribe, and yeah, follow for more. Thank you.